Hello guys, if you are trying to do a standing burnout in Forza Horizon 6, then there are actually a couple of methods that seem to work pretty well. First of all, you ideally want to use a rear wheel drive car that has a lots of horsepower and not much traction. Heavy cars usually work better for this too. For example, one of the best cars people are using for this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Some players also had decent results with the 2012 BMW M5 and the 2015 Ford Mustang Formula Drift Edition. Now one method that many players are saying works very consistently. So start by pressing the accelerator all the way down at maximum power. Then after around 1 to 3 seconds, depending on the car, you want to hold both the brake and acceleration together at the same time. If the timing is correct, the rear wheel should keep spinning while the car barely moves, and eventually you should get the ultimate burnout skill. Now there is also another very easy method that some players are using. Basically, you can drive the front of your car directly against a building or wall, then fully hold the accelerator. Since the wall stops the car from moving forward, the rear wheels can continue spinning in place, which makes the burnout much easier to maintain. So honestly, the biggest thing is just using the correct type of car. Rear wheel drive, high power, heavy weight, and low traction seem to work best for standing burnouts in this game. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.